In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for Dropbox files and folders. This method allows you to easily share files and folders with others in a quick and efficient way. Imagine simply scanning a code to access your important documents, presentations, photos, or anything else you've stored. To begin, let's start by heading over to Dropbox.com. You can also use the Dropbox desktop app if that's more convenient for you. The first thing you need to do is locate the specific file or folder you wish to share. Scrolling through your Dropbox, find that crucial document or treasured photo album you want to make accessible to others. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over the item. You'll notice a few options pop up, including the Share button. Click on Share, then click on Copy Link. This action copies the direct link to your file or folder, storing it temporarily on your clipboard and getting it ready for the next step. Now it's time to choose a QR code generator. There are plenty of online options available, such as QR Tiger, Unicode, My QR Code, or MeQR. Each of these tools offers a unique set of features, but all serve the same basic function. Choose one that suits your needs best and navigate to their website. Once you're there, you'll see a field designated for entering your link. Simply paste the Dropbox link you copied earlier into this field. With your link pasted, the next step is to create your QR code by clicking the Generate button or something similar. And just like that, a QR code is generated and ready for customization. Most generators offer customization options, allowing you to tweak your QR code's appearance. You can alter the colors, experiment with different shapes, or even add your brand's logo. Feel free to get creative and make it match your personal style or business brand, though remember, these customizations are optional steps. When you're satisfied with how it looks, it's time to download the QR code. Most generators will provide you with a choice between various file formats such as PNG, SVG, or JPG. Save it in a format that best fits your needs. We've now reached the final steps. With your QR code safely downloaded, consider how you plan to use it. If you plan to distribute it physically, you can simply print it out. Alternatively, you can choose to display it digitally through emails, websites, or social media. To ensure everything's working perfectly, scan the QR code using a smartphone or tablet. By doing so, you or anyone with access can quickly reach the Dropbox file or folder, confirming that your new QR code is functioning as intended. It's really that simple. Now, you're ready to share data in a more dynamic way, making your Dropbox files more accessible than ever. Happy sharing!